Welcome back to the Crypto and Web3 User Mistakes Prevention Guidebook, your guide to protecting blockchain-based digital assets from costly mistakes. In this short video, we review mistake number 10, neglected wallet maintenance. Setting up your wallet securely is only the beginning. Over time, even strong setups can weaken, not from hacks, but from neglect. Without regular checkups, even a well-protected wallet can quietly become unsafe. Many users set up their wallets once, then never look back. But crypto isn't set it and forget it. Over time, even secure setups start to weaken. Let's review the signs of neglect. First, outdated wallet software or firmware. When users delay updates, wallets stay exposed to known vulnerabilities and exploits. These weaknesses are public, and attackers know exactly how to use them. Second, stale token or contract approvals. Old DApp permissions often remain active long after you've stopped using them. Attackers can exploit these forgotten approvals to move your assets without consent. Third, untested or degraded backups. Seed phrases written years ago but never verified, or damaged physical or digital storage devices. If your backup fails when you need it most, your funds may be lost forever. Fourth, forgotten wallet access details. Vela recovery details like passphrases or derivation paths often go undocumented or misplaced. Without them, even the right seed phrase can't restore your wallet. Fifth, using a single wallet for everything. DeFi, NFTs, and long-term storage, all in one wallet, create a single point of failure. One compromise could expose all your assets at once. And finally, no recovery or inheritance plan. If no one knows how to access your wallet when something happens to you, your crypto may be locked away permanently. Wallet neglect doesn't happen overnight, it builds up quietly. But regular checkups can catch these red flags early and keep your assets safe. Before we continue, if you're finding this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more free educational videos like this one. Thank you. So how do you keep your wallets healthy and your crypto safe? First, run a wallet audit twice a year. Every 6 months, review your wallets, backups, and firmware. Use tools like revoke.cash or Etherscan token approvals to remove old or unnecessary permissions. Second, test your recovery setup. Try restoring your wallet on a spare or test device to confirm your seed phrase works. Don't wait until you actually need it to find out something's missing. Third, keep your software and firmware updated. Wallet apps, hardware devices, and operating systems all need regular updates. Skipping them leaves you exposed to known vulnerabilities. Fourth, simplify your setup. Avoid complex multi-step recoveries or overcomplicated tools. Keep your process clear, documented, and easy to follow when it matters most. Fifth, separate wallets by purpose. Use different wallets for long-term storage, active trading, and testing, so one compromise never affects everything you own. Sixth, document and store your recovery information securely. Include your seed phrase, passphrase, derivation path, and clear recovery steps. Keep them protected, but make sure they exist. And finally, plan for inheritance or emergencies. Ensure trusted individuals know how to access your assets responsibly if something ever happens to you. This was mistake number 10, neglected wallet maintenance. Even the best security setup can decay over time if it's never reviewed. A few minutes of maintenance each month can prevent years of regret. Check your permissions, test your backups, and keep your tools up to date. Crypto and Web3 assets safety isn't a one-time task, it's a habit that protects everything you've built. For more lessons on crypto and Web3 safety, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com to access our free educational materials online. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.